Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today tutorial is not related to mapping or GIS, but today tutorial is related to how to we compress a large size of video into small size without losing its quality and its voice. So this software we will use for it as a power compress. The link of this software will be shared to those one who need it, so they will mail me, so I will give them this link because some restriction on the YouTube, we cannot share the link directly in the description and in the comment section. So that's why you can mail me and I will give the link of this data to you. So now I open it. It's very simple to use. You can use in it simple images to compress, simple videos and simple PDF files to compress. So as you can see, its actual size is 147 MB, and we will compress it to 70, but we will more compress it around to the 100% and around to the 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. 90 is a fully is limited, not 100%, it will be 90%. So it's little take time. Low quality means it will take time for it. So I will process it in front of you, and I will get the video. Here you can select the folder which one you want, so you can easily select from here, and you will get from there. So it's a simple selection of this, and you will get the data from there, which I give this path, so you give according to your need. So I simple compress it, and it will be reduced from 147 to 30 MB. So it's very useful for those person who created the videos for their channels and for their other pages. So this application will be help you in the compressing your videos and your files. So the video I little skip because it takes time. So when it's complete, I will showing you it. Here will be written like succeed. Okay. So viewers, as you can see, the data has been, so as you can see, data will be proceed and it will be success. Now I showing its size to you from my file. As you can see, it is a Pakistan data one. It's simple, I keep here and it will come here which file I keep there. As you can see, output folder path. So now I going to showing its size to you. It will be around to that one which showing here. As you can see, 13.6, and here it will be 13.6 MB. So this is a very useful software to compress your files and data easily. So thanks for watching. For more informative videos, you need to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.